Most sales training makes you sound like a salesperson. And that's the problem. Because your buyers, they've heard the scripts, they've felt the pressure, they know when you're not being real. Hi, I'm Brian Brereton, founder of That Business Trainer and the creator of the Sales Framework. And if you've ever felt like traditional sales advice just doesn't sit right, like you're forcing a close, or chasing a fit that isn't there, or pretending to be someone you're not just to hit your target, this program was built for you. The Sales Framework isn't another script you need to memorize. It's not a bunch of ways to overcome objections. It's not a formula, and it's definitely not, here's what to say when the prospect says X. It's a structure for a way of thinking, a way of selling that adapts to you, your personality, your style, and most importantly, your values. It helps you consistently lead more confident, more honest, more effective, and open sales conversations. This is about facilitating instead of pitching. It's about building trust by being real and being authentic. It's about diagnosing and prescribing rather than trying to convince or persuade. Here's the truth most sales trainers won't tell you. High performance in sales doesn't come from learning more techniques or learning more closes. It comes from better judgment and better conversations in the moment. The reps who close the most deals, they say no to bad client fits. They ask better questions conversationally without sounding like an interrogation. They're calm, curious, and they're in the moment with their potential clients. They don't need tricks because they trust their process, and in return, the client trusts them. Inside the Sales Framework, we'll help you build a flexible conversation model that works whether you're selling offers worth $2,000, $10,000, or offers of $200,000 or more. We're going to help you with a mindset that removes the pressure from every single sales call, and to have a practical, repeatable framework that you can use across discovery, demos, proposing, finalizing deals, and even your follow-up. And we'll give you the tools, strategy, and confidence to lead real sales conversations without pretending to be someone you're not or memorizing talk tracks or cheesy closes. This isn't sales theory. It's real-world training for professionals who actually sell at the highest level. It's proven, and it works across most industries and wherever you are in the world. Look, there's nothing wrong with learning sales techniques from, say, Sandler or Spin or Medic or Challenger Sale. In fact, we'll show you how to plug those ideas and concepts into the Sales Framework without becoming robotic. But the days of pitching to strangers like it's 1998 spin selling are over. Today, buyers expect more. They expect you to be the trusted advisor, the calm one in the room who actually listens. And that's what this framework will help you become. The Sales Framework is taught in small, exclusive workshops held at stunning venues where we work hard, but also recharge, reflect, and reset how we approach selling. This isn't some rah-rah session in a hotel ballroom with 100 people shouting, "Always be closing." This is quiet, focused training for thoughtful sales professionals. People who want to sell better, not louder. Perfect if you're an introvert, if you're brand new to sales, or if you're a seasoned professional. You don't need another playbook full of closes. You need a way to think, a model to lead sales conversations that is natural, a way to sell that actually feels like you. So, if you're ready to stop with the sales tricks and manipulations of most systems, if you're tired of trying to be persuasive and ready to simply be effective, click the link, message us, get in touch, and apply for the next workshop. These workshops aren't for everyone. And yes, spots are limited. And yes, they will probably always fill up. If you're a good fit, we'll help you. If you're not, we'll let you know, because that's how we operate. Either way, you'll leave the conversation clearer than when you arrived. We can help you sell better, to think clearly, to be present while leading your sales conversations with calm confidence, to have more sales at a higher value faster. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you at the next Sales Framework.